if truly proven to be effective in practice. The H160M Guepard, Airbus' futuristic multi-role combat helicopter, will be soon put into service in the French armed forces. Airbus is also actively introducing H160M to military markets, with first deliveries in 2026. In May 2019, Airbus Group officially launched a full-size mock-up model of the H160M Guepard, one of the world's most modern helicopter designs, being actively developed by Airbus. The H160M helicopter model was introduced on the occasion of the French Defense Minister Florent Parly's visit to Airbus factory in Marocaine. According to leaked sources, the H160M was developed to replace the 5 different platforms that have served since the 70s for the oldies, including Fennec, Gazelle, Panther, Alouette III and Dauphin. The H160M, military version of the H160 Airbus Helicopters, was chosen to be the common platform of the French armies. Modular and versatile, it will perform missions alongside the latest generation of specialized helicopters such as Tigre, Cayman Marine, or Caracal. It is said to be integrated with the latest Airbus technologies to increase efficiency and reliability, promising to continue the resulting success of Airbus in the helicopter industry. The H160M Guepard is developed from Safran H160. It will benefit from many inherent advantages of its predecessor, especially in terms of support, with simpler maintenance and lower operating costs compared to previous generation of helicopters in this category. In its Army aviation role, the H160M is the perfect complement to an air-land force, reconnaissance, special forces operations, and command, control, communications, computers, and intelligence operations. The H160M has a beautiful, sleek, and modern design, which uses some advanced manufacturing technologies and materials to create a lighter, more efficient helicopter. The helicopter was operated by a crew of 2, sitting in tandem in a glass cockpit. The cockpit is equipped with Helionics aviation electronics, integrated with 4 multifunction screens. At the nose of the helicopter is equipped with an electro-optical system. Along the sides of the fuselage provides arms mounting positions. The area behind the cockpit is the passenger cabin, the spacious cabin with a volume of more than 7 cubic meters inside and can accommodate up to 12 armed soldiers. Passengers access the cabin through 2 sliding doors on either side of the fuselage. The twin engines are mounted above the cabin in the usual way. The H160M features the Blue Edge 5-bladed main rotor. This incorporates a double square shape that reduces the noise generation of 5-blade vortex interactions, a phenomenon which occurs when the blade impacts a vortex created at its tip, resulting in a 3 to 4 decibel noise reduction and raising the effective payload by 100 kilograms compared to a scaled Eurocopter AS365 Dauphin rotor design. Aerodynamic innovations include a biplane tailplane stabilizer for greater low-speed stability and a quieter canted fenestron, which combined produce an extra 80 kilograms of lift. According to the manufacturer, people on the H160 will even be able to talk without headphones. The H160M utilizes a canted fenestron anti-torque tail rotor, enhances the performance and passenger comfort, while offering flight stability with community-friendly sound levels. The H160M Guepard will be powered by two Safran Arrano turboshaft engines supplied by Safran Helicopter Engines. The engine will feature a two-stage centrifugal compressor, a reverse flow combustion chamber, and a single-stage power turbine. It is expected to deliver a maximum power output of 1,300 horsepower, a top speed of 292 km per hour, a maximum takeoff weight of 6 tons, and an estimated range of 850 km. As a military platform, the H160M will be armed with 7.62mm machine guns and a Panther sniper rifle mounted in the cabin. External mounting hardpoints can be arranged for sea venom. It's an Anglo-French lightweight anti-ship missile developed by MBDA to equip the French Navy and the Royal Navy. It can also be mounted with a 12.7mm axial machine gun. Thanks to its modularity and versatility, the Guepard can carry out missions of armed reconnaissance, fire support, infiltration of special forces, or medical evacuation. For the Navy, it can carry out anti-ship, naval protection, or maritime rescue missions. For the Air Force, the H160M has the capability to provide airspace protection, search and rescue, deep action, or intelligence missions. It is expected that H160M will soon serve in the French Armed Forces in the near future. Although it is unclear which country will become the next H160M customer after France. But if this aircraft truly proves its performance as advertised, the countries are using Airbus helicopters will be the most potential customers.